In this video, you will learn how to calculate with Python and what characters to use for this. Let's start with a simple example. We already saw that we can present numbers with the print statement. Let me execute this. A similar statement can be used to print calculations. Just like in math, Python uses a plus character to add numbers. 20 plus 30 is 50. For subtracting numbers, we also take a well-known character, the minus. 90 minus 40 is 50. The result can also be negative. 40 minus 90 equals minus 50. And we can even calculate with negative numbers. For example, minus 40 minus 90 is minus 130. To multiply numbers, we use the asterisk. 4 times 7 is 28. Division uses a slash character. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Notice how the 4 is presented as 4.0. This is because the result of a division does not have to be a whole number. So when you divide numbers in Python, expect the result to be a floating point number with a decimal separator. The decimal separator in Python is a point. Let's divide 100 by 7 to see what happens. This makes it even more clear. This is not a whole number. Let's play around a bit more with floating point numbers. You can also calculate with floating point numbers. For example, 0.5 plus 1 equals 1.5. The rule here is, when you use floating point numbers in a calculation, the result is always a floating point number. Let's do another example. Point 5 times 100 equals 50.0. Notice how I can write 0.5 or omit the 0 and just write 0.5. Let's do one more example. Let's divide 75 by 0.4, which results in 178.5. Now it's your turn. Open up your favorite editor and start calculating with Python.